good morning, good morning. Today we are going for one small bike ride, and today I'm going with her. Let's start. So we are almost ready. I have not taken any riding jackets and all because it will not be the big ride, and we wanted to take some photos and all, so that's the reason riding jackets and gloves I have not taken, but I'll take those maybe. Okay. काय म्हणते मग त्रास देते का? चला आबांना भेटून झालंय, रायडिंग करायचं आबा फिरून आले मस्तपैकी आबा. चला आता आपण रायडिंगला कंटिन्यू करू. Enjoy the ride, and one more important thing, she ride the bike. It's 350 Meteor, so she ride a bike. That's a special thing for today. So that's all for a day. Let's wrap up this call. Bye bye.